once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna make some Irish mush, flaxseed, smoothie or drink, whatever you want to call it. Alright guys, and guys, you know I'm a person who always bring to you natural healthy juice remedy, natural lifestyle. Guys, we all for the natural thing to build our body so we can live a little longer and we can enjoy life to the fullest. Alright guys, so here I'm gonna use 2 packs of Irish mush. Some people know it as sea moss as well. Alright, how you're gonna prepare this, guys? They are like this. They grow in the sea, so they are salted. Can you see the salt on it, guys? There it is. So in order to make this fresh and nice, you gotta get rid of all the salt intake. We don't want no salt in this thing. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the package and then I'm gonna show you. The first step, you have to soak these out so you can get the salt. It's best to soak them for a few hours, 4 to 6 hours, or it's best, I always soak them overnight. Overnight is the ideal thing. So what you're gonna do now, I have my pot with my water over here. You don't need boiling water yet, you just need the regular cold water. And I'm gonna add my 2 packs. You can use 1, depends on how often you use it. So I'm gonna use 2 packs. I rinse it twice, and now the next step, I'm gonna cover it just like that. I'm gonna set it in the fridge. I'm gonna leave it for overnight. Now this is how they are looking, all fresh and vibrant. And I'm gonna strain this water off. Then I'm gonna turn my stove on, and then I'm gonna fill up the pot of water again, and I'm gonna put it to boil. So this is it, all clean, all fresh and nice. And I'm gonna add my 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. You don't want to overdo the flaxseed because after it starts to boil, it's gonna get thick. And this Irish mush also is super thick, like jello, so you don't want to add too much. So 2 tablespoons. Now I'm gonna turn the stove down and I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna let it cook. When it's midway through, I will show you again, and when it's finished. All right, this is where I'm at. Look how thick it is. You can hardly see any Irish mush. So guys, I'm gonna turn the stove off. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit, and then I'm gonna strain it. It's a little bit darker because of the flaxseed in it. Now I'm gonna strain it. You can wait until it's cool, but boy, I can't wait. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna show you how it's looking so far. There it is. It's still hot. Now I'm just gonna finish it. All you want to do, just continue to do like this until when you feel like you want to stop. This is what's left. As I said before, you can store this and you can blend it, add it to your green drink, do whatever you want to it. So guys, now I'm gonna pour it into the jar before it gets too thick and then I can't throw it out. Mix it a little there, guys. It's getting too thick on me. Right, so with this little bit, I'm gonna use it to make my smoothie or my punch. I got almost a full jar, and this one is a big jar, and that's my lid. I'm not gonna cover it yet. I'm gonna wait until it's well cool. Then I'm gonna store it in the refrigerator, and you can use it however you want, guys. This right here, it is packed with lots of antioxidant, good for cancer fighting, high blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol. If you're anemic, oh my god, this is a test, guys, because I use it for my cholesterol and it helps to lower your blood pressure as well. It's good all around. Why? Because it clean your body, it build your system, it gets rid of all the mucus and the bacteria, and once your body is free from all mucus, then you're free from all these diseases. So this is a test. It has been proven by me and my friends. Guys, this is good for you. It's a bodybuilder, so all the men them, people with arthritis, people who have belly problem and all of that, this is good. And also this is good for your skin. It's a good facial cleanser, clean your skin, good for your pores. Oh my god, it's good all around, inside and out. All right guys, so I'm gonna cool this down. And my next step over here, guys, I have some almond milk, some raw peanuts, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, some allspice, and one ripe banana. All right guys, I'm gonna make some smoothie for you. Also, because I'm gonna go like vegan Rastafarian thing, if not, I would have add one nutriment, and you can add a guineas if you want. You can do whatever, but I'm gonna do it natural today for you guys. And let's get blending. All right, here I have like 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of Jamaican allspice in there right here, guys. You can go ahead and you can grate some good old Jamaican nutmeg in it if you want. And guys, let's get blending. All right, first we're gonna add some almond milk. We're not gonna use no water today, guys. We're gonna use some crushed ice. And the next thing, I'm gonna add my flaxseed and Irish moss. Look at that, guys. You don't need more than this. This is about 1/4 cup, and I'm gonna pour that in. You see how thick it is, guys? Woohoo! Yes. I want everything in it. Yes. It's so thick. Come on, go on out. Jeez, I'm crying, man. And then, guys, I'm gonna add some raw peanut. All right, you can use peanut punch if you want, but I'm going vegan vegetarian thing today. Rastafari, try, big up yourself. We're gonna do vegan thing, all right, and vegetarian. No meat base around here. All right, all plant and natural stuff, natural goodness. All right, so that's it there. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add everything all at once, because this is my magic ninja. It's supposed to work wonders. All right, guys, now I'm gonna add my bananas. There you go. I'm gonna add my spices. We're not gonna use no sugar today, only the sweetness from the banana and from the almond milk. If you want, you can add a little bit of rum too, you know, but we're not going that route today. All right, guys, now we're gonna add our crushed ice. And that's it right there, guys. You need nothing else. I'm gonna cover it, and then I'm gonna start blend. All right, I cover it good, and then we're gonna blend this bad boy away. Let's blend. Wow, I'll show you every moment of it. Look at that, guys. Yes. And we're gonna pour some out. What else can I say? Look at that, guys. Rich, creamy, and nice. Full of lots of health benefits. refreshing, delicious. I can't say more, guys. Please try this drink, young and old. All right, guys. Bodybuilder. And guys, this is the final result. I hope you like it. Please try it and tell me what you think. Put God first, guys. Pray a lot. Stay together. Love each other. All right, guys. Blessings. And guys, remember, this is good for vegetarian and vegan as well. Everybody involved. Who eat meat, who not eat meat. All right, guys. Stay blessed.